Is it possible to export your Netflix queue? I'm about to cancel my Netflix account and I'd like to be able to keep the list of movies in my queue. Is there an easy way to export the list in plain text so I don't have to resort to printing it out?
Using Google Docs plus Netflix RSS to pull up to 250 items in your queue, or other things. Log into Netflix. Click RSS at the bottom of the page. Hint, it's nestled between some other junk. Jobs Media Center, Netflix, Prize, RSS App Gallery, Facebook, Connect, tell a friend. Get the RSS feed for your queue. Personalized feeds queue, this URL. Load up Google Docs, open a new spreadsheet, go to A1 and enter. Equals import feed, row from above comma, true, 250. Note the double quotes around the URL. The true polls and column headers and the max queue entries supported by Google is 250. You should now have a Google Docs spreadsheet with your queue in it with title, URL, and description headers. Use it as you will. If you don't want the 001 part, create a new cell with this formula in Google Docs. Equals right, A2, len, A2-5, which will cut off the 001 part if 001 is an A2. Just copy the formula down to get the rest of the title sans the ID. Link to my example. Link to my girlfriend's, don't tell her I'm sharing, this URL. Image of result. Attempt number 2, less elegant, but returns entire queue. Grab your RSS URL, see above, dot. Go to http://pipes.yahoo.com/earth2marsh/feed2csv. Enter your RSS URL from above into the URL box and click Run Pipe. Right-click Get as RSS and copy the URL. Load Google Docs, open a new file, and enter. See the example Google document below, check the second tab at the bottom labeled Import Data. Or, just copy the URL, change to render equals CSV, and save the sucker and open locally in Excel. Poo on Google for ruining my pretty answer. CSV file of my girlfriend's Netflix.
I got something very basic working by saving the source of my queue page, putting a link to Google hosted jQuery in the of the document and removing some of the existing JS. Like so. Google.load jQuery 1.3.2. Loading the local page in Firefox. Running this code in the Firebug console. $spend.titleUp.each function index. Console.log $this.html. That just spit out the titles of everything in my queue. After failing at the above suggestion several times, I just opened my Netflix RSS, went to File/Save As. It defaulted to .xml and saved it to the desktop. Then I opened it up in Excel. Got a lovely little spreadsheet that was ready to edit, sort, and delete unneeded columns. The entire 375 item queue was available in seconds.
None of the above seemed to work for me, so I tried something else. I opened Internet Explorer 9, logged into Netflix, went to my queue, and right-clicked the page. There was an option to export to Microsoft Excel, which when clicked opens Excel. Copy the address of the Netflix queue you would like to save, paste in Excel address bar, and click Go. Go ahead and click Import, and wait for Excel to import the data. Once finished, click OK on the Import Data window to import into the existing sheet, then delete any unnecessary rows and columns.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.